Namaskar. Today I'm going to talk to you all about how to improve your eyesight naturally. I'm going to tell you about 5 superfoods that will make a difference to the way you see. While we discuss this, we will also see some new recipe that combines some of these superfoods. Our first superfood is Amaranth Leaves or Cholai ke patte. These colorful leaves are loaded with vitamin A and C, which are very essential nutrients that plays a very great role in improving eyesight. Vitamin A helps protect the cornea, while vitamin C supports the health of blood vessels in the eyes. You can enjoy amaranth leaves in varieties of dishes, from soups and salads to stir fry. Plus, they add a lovely color to your meals. Next, we have a regular pumpkin. It is packed with beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A. Pumpkin helps maintain good vision and reduces the risk of certain eye diseases. You can make pumpkin soup, add into dal or sambar, and toast the seeds for a delicious and nutritious snack. Third, carrot. You must have heard the old saying that eating carrots can help you see in the dark. While there is some truth to that, carrots are another vitamin A source and contain beta-carotene. This nutrient helps protect the surface of the eye and supports clear vision. Whether you enjoy them raw or a crunchy snack or cook as a tasty stir fry, you must add carrots to your diet if you want better eye health. Now the fourth one is colocasia leaves or arbi ke patte. This is a unique superfood. These heart-shaped leaves are rich in antioxidants, particularly lutein and zeaxanthin. These antioxidants are like natural sunglasses to the eye, helping to filter harmful blue light and protect the retina. You can cook colocasia leaves in various dishes like curries or make aloo vadi. To make aloo vadi, popular Maharashtrian dish, or patra in Gujarati. Lastly, we have superfood moringa leaves. Moringa leaves are rich in vitamin A, vitamin C and zinc. Moringa leaves provide essential nutrients to keep your eyes healthy and vibrant. You can incorporate moringa leaves into your diet by adding them to smoothies, salads, or saute them as a side dish. Now let's understand one recipe called as Tikki recipe. Now that we have seen these 5 superfoods, let's get ready to make delicious tikkis from some of these foods. For this recipe, you will need pumpkin grated 1 cup, carrot grated 1 cup, amaranth leaves chopped 1 cup, mint leaves ½ cup, 1 sweet potato cooked and smashed, oats flour 1 cup, amchur powder 1 teaspoon, jeera powder 1 teaspoon, coriander powder 1 teaspoon, salt as per taste. Let's see how to make these tikkis. Mix all the ingredients well in a big bowl and shape the mixture into small tikkis. Heat oil in a pan over medium heat. Shallow fry the tikki until they are crispy and golden brown on both the sides. Place these tikkis on a paper towel to remove excess oil. Serve them with mint chutney or yogurt dip. A combination of amaranth leaves, pumpkin, carrot not only bring burst of colors to your plate but also delivers nutritious boost to your eyesight. A balanced diet rich in these nutrients is required for maintaining optimal vision. By including these superfoods into your diet, you can give your eyes nutrients they need to shine bright. There is also very effective yogic technique called as tratak, which strengthens the muscles around your eyes and improve vision. Tratak involves gazing at a chosen object like a candle flame or even celestial bodies like the sun and the moon. Other yogic technique which brings significant role in your eyes' health are palming and dipping your eyes in water. To protect your eyes, it is also important to have some good eye care habits like taking regular breaks from screen, and protecting your eyes from harsh sunlight. Remember, taking care of your eye is a lifelong commitment. Namaskar.